Good morning.
Emma.
Good morning.
I can't hear you.
Does it look better? Hold on. Ooh, it does. Looks better. We got this cool fancy light and it does look better.
We're playing Roblox.
And you're playing Roblox. It's Saturday morning. We're gonna go school shopping. Daddy's out getting McDonald's right now because we also need to go grocery shopping.
It took forever to wake up.
I did. Daddy let me sleep in. Thank you. So I got to sleep in. They got to play Roblox.
Time. I'm gonna make food.
Oh, she's making food in Roblox.
I'm gonna make some food because then you can't.
These girls love Roblox.
No,
And then we got some.
first. Yeah, but look. I'm gonna make food.
Hey, hey, hey. Hi, buddy. Oh, he's exploring your toys, Kate.
Hey, no. He always likes that.
Oh, aren't you gonna share your toys with him? Don't try and scare him, please.
I'm trying to
Why?
crack out him.
Okay, that's probably not the best thing to do. Okay, so you want me to take apart this T-Rex and make what?
Tear that.
This thing, are you gonna help me? Yeah? Woohoo! Where are we going? Mall. Yep, and we're gonna go get some new school clothes. Yay! School clothes! Can you get a what?
I want to get a puppet.
A puppet and a toy?
Can I get a horsey toy? It's my kiosk.
What?
Yeah.
We are not going for toys.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna go have dinner and meet Grandma.
Cheesecake Factory.
You want the Cheesecake Factory?
Yes.
That sounds so good.
They also have simple things.
No toys! No
Yes,
toys!
Yeah. Can I just have just one teeny toy?
One teeny tiny toy.
I'm gonna get a
You want a dimple? Of course we had to stop at the fidget store. You want to see it? Look at that. That's pretty cool. Peppa Pig.
I think this color better.
Yeah? That's a giant costume. Is that what you want as your toy, Kate?
No.
Peppa Pig Poppet?
I'm just looking at it.
Oh, okay. We have Coco Melon and his family. Whoa. Okay. We did not pick a Poppet. Because she's going to think about it. We're going to go see this store up here that has horses for Kate. We'll see if they have anything. And they sometimes have Poppets. Look at it, Kate. Playmobil.
And there's a monkey.
Oh yeah, the little monkey on the little Jeep. Oh, what's this? A dimple.
And I need these.
Those look like baby toys.
I know, but I need these.
Which one would you pick? And Kate, where do you want to go?
Where's the toy?
Toys. Where's the toys? We're in the toy section. Oh, look at this baby cow.
This one is.
Oh.
Oh, it has an get the baby cow one.
You want to get the baby cow? Oh, she's feeding the baby cow. You get another one. You can get the tigers if you'd like. That's not back to school shopping, girls, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's the good side. That's the bad side. This is the good side.
Want to open this one up?
Yeah. We should.
Her and her ponies, and her and her fidgets. Unbelievable.
Can you open it for me?
Okay. There's strawberry, crunchy strawberry and chocolate. Oh my gosh, look at that positive energy drink.
Can we go back home?
Oh my goodness, we're still not back to school shopping. We're shopping for candy. That's sour candy. Oh, look at that. Can you go put it back? Still going. Hours later. Let's go find some shoes. You want to try the Converse? Yeah. Look at these fish.
Look at starfish.
And a starfish.
Look at seashells. That's Mimo.
Oh, it's Nemo.
Little Mimo.
Girls, you guys did so good. We shopped till we almost dropped.